Today's weather is sponsored by Milner & Orr, funeral home and cremation services. Locations in Paducah, Lone Oak, Barwell, Arlington, and Wickliffe.
Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Bo Dodson. It's January 1st, 2017. Happy New Year. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. We've got some clouds in the region. We take a look at visible satellite this afternoon, and we see these clouds streaming northward again. Now, we did have some clearing overnight over our eastern and northern counties. Temperatures dipped down in the upper 20s and lower 30s with some fog. The rest of the area was a little bit warmer, upper 30s to 40s because of the cloud cover. That blanket of clouds helped keep the temperature up just a little bit. Now, we do have some light, spotty drizzle or showers in the area, mostly over Kentucky and Tennessee today, maybe the Boot Hill, few sprinkles elsewhere. The main story will be an increasing chance for showers and thunderstorms as we move into Monday and Monday night. Now, we're going to have to keep an eye out for some strong storms as well. Let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center's severe weather outlook. You can see here that the Storm Prediction Center has outlined portions of our region for a marginal risk of severe weather. Now, this may shift around a little bit as confidence grows on the track of an area of low pressure coming out of Arkansas that will track into West Kentucky and Tennessee. Now, there remains some questions about exactly where does that low track. Most of the model guidance brings it somewhere up in this area. A few of the model packages bring it a little further north and west. I think it will track somewhere into West Kentucky, South Central Kentucky, Middle Tennessee, West Tennessee, somewhere right in here. Now, it's important on where that low tracks because if you're on the east side or south side of the low, that's where your greatest risk for a few severe thunderstorms is going to occur. Right now, that appears to be somewhere right in this area. Perhaps greater risk as you go south and east. Now, you see we do have an enhanced risk and a slight risk for severe weather to our south. Those are greater chances, greater coverage of severe weather. Basically, what a marginal risk means is that a few severe thunderstorms are possible. The main concern will be high winds and isolated tornadoes, much like the last two severe weather events that produced hail, damaging winds, and some isolated tornadoes as well. Pretty much the same setup with this one. We'll have to keep an eye on how high CAPE goes tomorrow. CAPE is a measure of energy. We do have quite a bit of shear in the atmosphere. So if there were to be some thunderstorms, isolated storms or supercells develop somewhere in this area here, we could have an isolated tornado risk. Keep that in mind. Now, areas further north and west, believe the severe weather threat will remain to your south and east. Now, if that low were to track a little further north and west, then that would change the forecast for extremes. Illinois, Indiana, West Kentucky, and Boot Hill would increase chances just a little bit for more severe weather. So the bottom line, keep your eye on the forecast on Monday. We may have a few severe thunderstorms in the area and an isolated tornado risk, much like the last two events that we had in December. Let's go ahead and take a look at Futurecast radar for the next 24 to 48 hours. This is the NAM high resolution guidance. As we move through this afternoon and evening, maybe some light showers, patchy drizzle in the area. But as we move into Monday morning, watch what happens off to our west and southwest as that storm system approaches. Area of low pressure in Arkansas moves northeast, cold front in the area. Showers and thunderstorms break out, maybe some moderate downpours, some heavy downpours if thunderstorms develop, which they should. As we move into Monday afternoon, we'll watch for a few stronger storms in the area. Primary concern will be Kentucky and Tennessee, but we'll keep an eye on areas to the north. We do have widespread showers and thunderstorms over southeast Missouri and southern Illinois as well. And again, some of those could have some downpours and gusty winds. As we move into Monday evening, this is about 6 p.m. and you see the showers and thunderstorms continue over the area. This is the time frame, Monday afternoon and Monday evening, where we might have a few stronger storms, especially over portions of Kentucky and Tennessee. We'll keep a close eye on that. We move through Monday night into Tuesday morning, and the rain moves off to the east, northeast as the system pulls away. Maybe some remaining showers on Tuesday as a cold front moves in, a strong cold front with bitterly cold air behind it, and maybe some snow showers, snow flurries with that. We'll have to keep an eye out for the southern jet stream to see if we might have some accumulating snow middle of late next week, this week I mean. Low probabilities right now for that to happen. I'll try to update the winter weather outlook again this afternoon. Confidence remains low on accumulating snow this week.